Hello friends, I am going to show you a cool trick in Windows 10. And that is, Steps Recorder. Steps Recorder will record all steps what you do in Windows. To open Steps Recorder, type Steps Recorder in search bar. It's right here and left click on it. Yeah, it's opened right here. Just click on Start Record, it will start recording all steps what you do in Windows. For example, I want to open Microsoft PowerPoint and it will record the steps to open it. And now, just stop the recording to see the result. Cool. All steps are recorded with screenshots. Isn't it cool? Follow Trusted Eagle Technologies for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.